If you want to turn off navbar on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we get actually two methods. The first one, you will have to open the settings, and right now you have to go for lock screen and AOD settings. Move for a navbar, and first of all, you can turn off navbar for some specific apps. So take a look. For example, I've got clock turned on. When I'm gonna go to the lock screen, I will get a navbar over here. But if I want to actually get rid of that clock extension, I have to click on this. Now I'm going back. There's the navbar, but without a clock. So this is the first option, to turn off the navbar for specific apps. But if you want to completely hide navbar on the lock screen, so we have to change this actually by going for notifications, and here you have to go for lock screen, and you will have to hide all lock screen notifications. So take a look now. As you can see, it's not here anymore. Even when I'm gonna turn on that clock extension, it doesn't actually count this. So take a look. I'm locking this, I'm unlocking, and it's not here. So that's how we can actually do that.